Hi, today I would like to show you how to knit this scarf which fits to this hat. If you would like to know how to knit this hat, I will put the link in top right corner to my other video where I've showed you how to knit this step by step. Because I want to make a perfect set, I'm going to knit the scarf in 2x2 rib stitch. That means that I will knit 2 stitches, then purl 2 stitches and repeat that over and over again. I have one new ball of yarn from We Are Knitters, the Petite Wool, so in the process we are also gonna check how efficient is this yarn and how long scarf can we knit from only this one ball. If you would like to buy this yarn from We Are Knitters website, you can use my promo code to save some money for your first order. I will put everything you need in the description box. I'm going to work on 7mm circular needles from Knit Pro with total length 40 cm. But you can also use straight needles as well, because we are going to work back and forth, not around. So pick needles that suits you best. Okay, so we are going to start by casting on stitches, but first of all we need to make a slip knot to get our yarn on the needle. Take your yarn, wrap it around your fingers, draw it through, and here you go. I will show you this again so we can take a better look. Slide your slip knot onto the needle and pull it. Now we need to cast on 42 stitches. Ensure the working yarn with your fingers and wrap it around your thumb and forefinger, just like this. Take your needle under and then over the yarn. Pull it, and here you go. This is your first cast on stitch. Again, slowly, here it is my working yarn and I need to take my needle under, over, and that is all. One more time. I will repeat myself. We need to cast on 42 stitches, and remember that the slip knot is not our stitch. We are going to slide it from the needle. I've just casted 42 stitches on, and now we need to make sure that all stitches are lying evenly on needles and they are faced forward one direction. Needle with working yarn and cast on stitches is in your left hand and the other empty one is in your right hand. To knit better cast on edge, all of the stitches in first row we are going to knit. Take your empty needle and put the point of your needle through the stitch. Work from left to the right. And now pick the yarn and draw it through the stitch. Slide the loop from the left needle and here you go. This is how to do the knit stitch. Let's do this again. Put the point of your needle through the stitch under the front leg of the stitch and then catch the yarn and draw through the stitch. If you want to practice knit stitches, I will put the link in top right corner to my other video where I've showed you how to knit the knit stitch. Work knit stitches till the end of first row. The last loop is our slip knot, and as I said before, we are now sliding it from the needle. Turn the work. And again, we have the needle with stitches on in left hand and empty one in right hand. Every edge stitch in every row we are going to slide from the needle with working yarn in front of our project. Thanks to that, edge will be nice and even. Put working yarn back to the back of project and now we are going to start working with 2x2 rib stitch. Knit 2 first stitches. Now we need to knit 2 purl stitches. Take your empty needle and put the point of your needle through the stitch. Work from the right to the left. Wrap the yarn around your right needle, slide the loop from the left needle, and here you go. This is how to knit the purl stitch. If you want to practice purl stitches, I will put the link in top right corner to my other video where I've showed you how to knit the purl stitch. And now again, knit 2 stitches. Then purl 2 and repeat this till the end of the row. Stop 1 stitch before the end. Every last stitch in every row we are going to knit. Turn the work. Slide edge stitch with working yarn in front. And now there is one important thing to understand. Stitches that we knit on one side are purl stitches on the other side, and stitches that we purl on one side are knit stitches on the other side. Because of the number of cast on stitches, we are gonna knit every next row exactly the same as previous one. So after edge stitch, knit 2, then purl 2 and repeat till 1 stitch will be left. Knit last stitch. Turn the work and repeat again and again. After a few rows, project looks like this. So you can see the difference between knit and purl stitches. And now I will continue working in 2x2 rib stitch and I will come back when I finish whole ball of yarn. Okay, I've knitted whole new ball of the petite wool and this is how scarf looks like now. It has 82 centimeters length and about 20 centimeters wide. For me, this is still too short for a scarf, so I'm going to keep working. Of course, you can adjust the measurements to your own preferences. And now I would like to show you how the edge is looking. Thanks to that, we slide every first stitch and knit every last. The edge is nice and even. And it's time to finish the scarf. All of stitches in last row knit, just like in the beginning. Now we need to cast off stitches. Knit 2 first stitches together. Put this stitch back onto the left needle and again knit 2 stitches together. Repeat that till 2 stitches will be left on your left needle. Knit them together. Cut the yarn and draw it through the last loop. and the scarf is ready. If you want to learn more, please make sure that you've subscribed my channel, and if you found that video helpful, please leave a thumb up and comment below. Thank you, and I hope to see you later.